your lab.
Today we will be installing on an ITT 30-pound stack dryer made by IPSO. First, take your clips. For this demonstration I am using T-taps. Place your tap on the blue and white coming out of H2. It should be H2-2. Clip that down. Find the red blue. This should be coming out of H2-7. Squeeze that clip down as well. Next, grab your Laundry Boss harness and find the power ends. These should be on the end of the blue and the brown. Connect the blue to the red blue. Connect the brown to the white blue. Press them on firmly. Find the J20 GND post on the board. It should be the closest post to you. Take the black ground end on the Laundry Boss harness and connect it to this spade post. And then finally, take the coin plug and bridge the coin plug with it. Next, attach your Laundry Boss MIB to the harness and mount inside of the machine.